the point of healthcare, the point of health in general, is to be able to live your life, to be able to have quality of life. And the point of alternative and holistic modalities are to get your body to do what it naturally knows how to do. But our bodies are in a constant state of trying to restore and trying to, regulate it. And it's determined to get us to homeostasis. It does so much we don't even think about. There's so much in the body that it's doing to try to, get you to have quality of life. And so the frequencies are meant to just support that process. So do frequencies work? Yes. I would absolutely have to say yes. So the frequencies that are on my channel, I've designed personally, I've used them personally. So if you think that they would benefit you, like I said, it's like a shower. It's effective, but you've got to continuously do it. Really just glad that I found something to improve my life, and I want to share that.